What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this gorgeous looking E200 in high-tech silver. As you can see, car looks amazing. Now we're gonna take a walk around before we get right to the interior of this car. Let us first start off with the exterior lights. Amazing looking car. Love how the dark finishes are happening over certain parts of the car. You also get the LED high performance word right there on the inside. You got your DRLs popping up right there. Love the bright chrome finishing for the light to reflect as well. Some dark finishes over here, so it does look nice. I like how it's joined towards the front grille. You get this black housing right here. You get some chrome finishing happening at the front. Very nice. Mercedes-Benz started grille. You get your badging right here with a sensor located right at the rear, the back part of this. You also get your 360 camera right up there. Number plate goes down here. You got your chrome finishing right there in the center, and also you get your side bumper with this how to say this, cosmetic design with the Mercedes-Benz started design. Looks good, man. It does look good. It's an Avantgarde line, so it doesn't have to be that much of a aggressive looking thing, but you do get some lines at the top hood. So for the side profile of the car, we move to the wheels. You're using 245/45 R 19-inch wheels. The grey finish on the inside, and you got some silver on the outside. Solid disc brakes is what they're using, and then you get your Mercedes-Benz badging also in black, so it is quite nice. They're using Pirelli tires for this, so it's P0 right there, looking good. Now for the side of the car, you do get this color like finish for your side skirting, same color as the car. Side mirrors follow the body of the car. You do get some black finishing right here, and also the chrome alongside the whole door like that, so it does look good. Now for the door handles, let's open that up. You get the lighted up exterior part of it. It's a Mercedes-Benz wording right there, looks good. Let's open that up, and first thing you notice is that amazing looking clean design like of a door. Handle here to hold, to pull, to close the door. Compartment storage down here. Window adjustment, seat adjustment. Memory seats, you got 3 together with your heated seat. Handle to pull to open up the doors. With your Mercedes-Benz wording right here for the side plate. Clean carpet. And of course the seat design is all with these lines popping down like that. The seat also hugs you very well, keeps you in place. Let's jump right in and take a look at the amazing dashboard. I love how they have the Mercedes-Benz lights here, and then suddenly just fades away. Even though you can still see it, but here it's lighted up. Damn cool. Ambient lighting all over. The air vents here, including over here, goes across the whole side. Fantastic. Even the side right here. Love the design. This wooden texture finish is also damn cool. Glove compartment, fantastic. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black. As you can see, the legroom is awesome. And you do have your fabric lining at the top. Very cool indeed. Center screen looks very huge and just nice, dude. Everything you need. I think the important stuff are all here. Navigation is superbly huge. Very nice. Wooden texture finish for the center. 2 cup holders. You got your Type-C connectivities here, and also you get wireless charging right down there. I like that a lot. And then your driving modes you can control from here. The other volumes, adjustments, and of course your vehicle settings is a shortcut button for you to press, and you get into that, so that's nice. 2 connectivities once again for USB-C. Compartment storage down there. Steering wheel Avantgarde line, so it's round. We'll get to that in a while more. Let's get right down and let's open up the rear. Before we jump right into the rear, take a look at the tires. Pirelli tires once again. Tire size 275/40 R19. Solid disc brakes. Black Mercedes-Benz badging center wheel caps. Love the two-tone finish. Silver on the outside, grey on the inside. Very nice. So for the rear doors, you get the ambient lighting over here. Damn cool. And also all over the side of the door, and here as well, together with your handle, compartment storage, opening up of the doors, the shade right here. You can even take it down if you don't want to see it. Damn cool. So for the inside part, looks really good. Let's jump right in. I've not adjusted the front seats, But yeah, looks very nice. The dashboard is very clean. Once again, I love that Mercedes-Benz lighted up stars that we have right there. Avant adjustments here. You got two type C connectivities down here. You got a slot for you to maybe just keep your phone while it's charging. Place to keep some stuff. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Seatbelts are in black. And of course, you do get these ones right here. And there you go. So 2 cup holders. Nice. So let's jump right into the center. So headroom is good. Fabric lining at the top. Nice. So the view is also amazing as well here. Let's open up the doors. Love the ambient lighting. Cool. Let's push that open. Let's get right down. Show you the rear part of the car. Petrol tank is right there. Now for the rear, you do have this chrome finish from the left all the way to the right. You get your Mercedes-Benz badging, it is bright chrome finish. You get the E200 wording right there. You also get this style design right there. Mercedes-Benz stars for the rear brake lights. Looks good. Number plate goes right there as well. You do have your chrome finish for the rear bumper. Looks very decent and nice. So open up the boot, and storage is amazing as well. You can fold down the rear seats if you wish to, and that is plenty of storage space that you guys can keep. Underneath here, plenty more. Got a plastic basket. You get your compressor and the gel also as well. You get your tow hook. Warning triangle located up here. Looks good. How about here? The view looks amazing as well. Yep, unfortunately this piece cannot come off, but yeah, a lot of other stuff that you guys can store inside. So now let's take a look at the side of the car. Here, for the door side, you do get your lock and unlock. Get your child lock for the rear windows. You don't want to wind it down. The shade at the back, you can tone it down. You got your window adjustments. You got your side mirror adjustments. Compartment storage down here together with your boot opening and closing. Seat adjustments, memory seats, heated seats. Mercedes-Benz word. Avantgarde line is a black accelerator pedal and the brake pedal as well. You get these lines that are popping down right here. Seat is comfortable and nice. Let's jump right in to the driver's seat, and it's very nice to So yeah, it's very nice to actually be sitting in the car like this. Round steering wheel, designed with the chrome finishing happening all at the side. Looks good. This is to control that screen. This one is to control that screen. These ones are cruise control over here. These are your volume up and down and things like that. So very nice and clean design. Cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Seatbelts are in black. Gear right here. You got your wiper and your signal and your flashing of the lights over there. Other lightings are over here as well. Now let's go and turn on the lights. So let's see how they look like. Let's take a nice cover photo for the front before we do. Right here. Nice. Okay, cool. So these are your main DRLs. As you can see, this is the only one that will turn on. The rest of them no. Does look nice, very clean for a silver car. Very nice. So for the rear, I think you guys have already seen, but let's just show you guys one more time again. Let's push this down, close that, boom. So looks nice. But what about the hazard lights? When you turn on the hazard lights, how do they look like? So turn indicators, and the whole thing that was white earlier goes away, replaced with your signal lights. So for the rear, let's see what else is different. Is the bottom piece that they have right here. Looks good. Nice. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to their showroom here at Cycle and Carriage PJ. As you can see, plenty of cars they have right here, even on the outside as well. So if you'd like to find out more, just visit them over here. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.